Hi, I'm Lou. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you probably have a drill, but today I'd like to show you why you need to get an angle grinder. For about $30, you can get a cheap one like this that'll last you a few years. A better quality one will cost you about $50. For $100, you can get a battery-powered one. And here's a paddle switch one, and I kind of don't like these because you can accidentally turn them on when you pick them up. I never use these, but they also come with extra handles that you can screw in the side. The thing I like most is the wide range of attachments. You can cut metal, wood, concrete. Here's a disc sander, a more aggressive sander, a flap wheel sander, and a grinder, buffer, wire brush, shaper, and chainsaw. And there are many more. The most common is the metal cutting blade, and it's also the coolest because it throws a lot of sparks. Next is the concrete cutting blade, which is what they use to cut lines in your driveway, but they usually use the bigger angle grinder for that. Here's the wood cutting blade, and I can never find them with a big enough hole, so I just enlarge them with this 7/8 carbide tip bit. And here's the wood blade in action. Disc sander. Flap wheel sander. These also work great for cleaning rust off of metal. Here's the metal grinding wheel. Here's a really nice kit from ThinkWork. It comes with a dome shaper, a chainsaw cutter, an extra blade, and cut-resistant gloves. Let's try this first. I can even take this tree down by cutting on two sides. This set is also great for sculpting. Just like that, we have a beautiful piece of art. To be safe, you should always use these guards, especially with the metal cutting wheel. I had one of these fly apart and cut me pretty bad. Thanks for watching. If I do other tool reviews, I'll put them in the links below.